Hello and welcome to Cooking with Spain. Today is the first day of this fantastic program. If you're looking forward to learn the typical dishes from Catalonia and the other parts of Spain, you are totally gonna love this page. After thinking a lot, we have decided to start teaching you how to do Ajoblanco, in English, white garlic. You can eat it for lunch or for dinner, but my advice is not to eat this dish during winter because it's usually served cold.
Well, now the ingredients. 75 grams of almonds, 100 grams of bread, 775 milliliters of water, 2 garlics, half glass of oil, a little bit of salt, and finally 4 spoons of white vinegar. Well, now the instruments. Weighing scales, a bowl, and finally a beater or a whisk. In first place, you need to weigh all the ingredients in the weighing scales. Once you've done this, you have to put all the ingredients in the bowl. In third place, you have to use the beater to mix everything. When you see that it has a liquid consistency, you have to put the bowl in the fridge and then wait for an hour. After 1 hour or more, you can take it out of the fridge. Now it's ready to eat! Super healthy and pretty easy, huh? Enjoy your Ajoblanco!